xt is equal to ut plus 2ut minus 1 minus 3ut minus 2. For this signal we have to find a plot of the signal xt. So here three components of the signal are ut minus 1 and ut minus 2. So first of all we have to see the plots of these three components. So we know that ut is defined for t greater than 0, its magnitude is 1, so it is nothing but your unit step signal. So unit step signal ut is plotted like the first graph shown here, and second signal is ut minus 1. So ut minus 1 is defined for t greater than 1 and 2 is multiplied with ut minus 1, so its magnitude is 1 for unit step signal. So 2 into ut minus 1 magnitude will be 2 into 1. So since its magnitude is generally 1, so now after multiplying with 2 we are getting magnitude as 2. So it is defined from t is equal to 1. Next t minus 2 is defined for t is equal to 2, and its magnitude usually for ut minus 2 its magnitude is 1, but since 3 is multiplied with it, so it becomes 3. So this 3 signal component we have to just find out the sum of ut plus 2ut minus 1 minus 3ut minus 2. So this is the expression here. Okay, so this is the expression of the given signal xt. So we know that ut and ut minus 1 and ut minus 2, their limit we know. So when we are adding the signal we have to start from 0. So from 0 to 1 first to check what are the signals available. So this signal starts from 1, t is equal to 1, and the signal starts from t is equal to 2. So from 0 to 1 we have only this part for the first limit 0 to 1. So this signal value is just is equal to 1. So we can plot the first component of the signal here. Okay, this is the first component. So 0 to 1 we are getting the first component with magnitude 1. Next we have to check the range from 1 to 2. Just now we have reached up to point 1. Now we go for 1 to 2. Then 1 to 2 we know that the signal is defined from t is equal to 0. So after t is equal to 1 also this signal is existing. Its value will be 1, and at t is equal to 1 this signal starts again. So its value is also 1 at t is equal to 1. So from 1 to 2 we have two parts of the signal, this part and this part, and this signal is not started yet. So if we add these two signal, its value is 1 and its value is 2 into 1 means 2. So from 1 to 2 we will be having 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. The value of xt is 3. Okay, so that is why we are plotting here from 1 to 2, the value here 3. Earlier it was 1 here, now it is 3. So this part constant value 3 up to 2, then at 2 or greater than 2. Greater than 2 we can see that this signal will exist at t is equal to 2 because it has already started at t is equal to 0 and it goes up to t is equal to infinity. So up to t greater than 2 you will have this part ut its value is 1. We will have this part also because it started t is equal to 1. So at t is equal to 2 also we will get 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So we'll get 1 plus 2 3, and at 2 is equal to t is equal to 2 we have started this signal. So its magnitude is generally 1, but multiplying with 3 we are getting 3, so minus of 3. So 1 plus 2 minus 3 becomes 0. So t greater than 2 we are getting 0. So that's why we are plotting the signal here with 0. That means we have only this portion of the signal. Okay, only this portion of the signal. Okay, so this is the final signal plot for xt. So you can see here also this value 1, you can just add the first component with the next new component here 2, and here 3 was there, so 3 minus 3. First component of this one was 1. Next we are getting 1 plus 2 3 in up to t is equal to 1 to 2. and then 3 we are getting here, so 3 we have taken here 3, and this new component is this one in the third part, so we have subtracted this 3 from the previous component. So just adding on new components that are coming with time interval gives you the next part of the signal. So simply this signal will be that this part 0 to 2, and other portion of the signal is 0 0, so those signal are not important. Only this part of the signal is the signal represented by xt.